Hey friends, if you wish to extract text from an image in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Okay, so I'll delete this text here and then I'll click on insert. I will click on pictures, this device. Okay, I will go to the picture. I will insert it here. Now I cannot change it directly, so I will click on file. I'll select as save as. I will select browse. I will change the save as type to PDF. I will select a good location for it. It's named doc1. Click on save. Done. Okay. Now I'll close Word and then I will open Word again and then I will go to home. Okay, I'll open some document. I'll click on file. I'll select on open. I will select at browse. Then I'll go to the location of the file. I'll select the PDF file. I'll click on open. It will say that it will now convert PDF into an editable Word document. You will almost always get this message. Click on OK. Okay. And then it will become an editable document with the same text here, which can now be edited. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.